Since you found this video, odds are that you are thinking about signing up for the 14-day trial period of ClickFunnels. Don't do it. It will be a horrible move on your part because there is a far better option. You can get full access to all the features of ClickFunnels Platinum plan for an entire month for absolutely free. This will include ability to make unlimited funnels and pages, unlimited email lists, 9 custom domains, and 9 payment gateways including credit card processing services like Stripe. Interestingly, this deal is not being promoted on ClickFunnels' main website. Instead, they are pushing for their 14-day trial offer. But if you are a beginner who is thinking of creating a sales funnel to sell your merchandise, digital products, online courses, or start a new affiliate marketing campaign, the 14-day trial period is a really bad idea. 14 days is just not enough to learn, explore, and implement all the features of ClickFunnels. You need more time, at least 1 month in my opinion. And that's exactly how much time you will get when you sign up for the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge. So I've linked this offer in the video description below. If you click that link, you will get 1 full month to explore all the features of ClickFunnels and create as many funnels as you desire. It costs $100 to sign up, but if you cancel before 30 days, you get full refund. ClickFunnels makes it very clear that they won't charge you a dime if you are not happy. For some crazy reason you don't love the challenge, email us and we will refund you $100. They go on to say that if for some reason you are not satisfied, email our support team within 30 days and you will receive a full refund of $100. So that guarantee makes signing up for the One Funnel Challenge a much better deal than the typical 14-day trial period of ClickFunnels. Remember, ClickFunnels basic plan will cost $97 per month and the platinum plan costs $297 per month. But when you sign up for One Funnel Challenge, all the features in the platinum plan are accessible to you for 30 days. So I took the One Funnel Challenge at the beginning of this year. I entered with an open mind. I was ready to cancel and get my money back if things went south. Instead, I ended up staying and now I'm using ClickFunnels to sell my digital portfolio and promote my affiliate marketing campaign. Now let's take a closer look at what all is included in the One Funnel Challenge. In addition to 30 days access to ClickFunnels Platinum plan, you get 30 days of video coaching from Russell Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels, and his entire team. Each of these private videos are 30 minutes long. Here is how the members only access page will look when you sign up for the One Funnel Challenge. These coaching videos will also include a daily mission that you need to complete before you can move on to the next challenge. You also get access to a private Facebook group where you can ask technical and marketing questions to ClickFunnels coaches. I found this Facebook group invaluable in networking with other like-minded entrepreneurs. In addition to videos, you get a daily project to work on and complete it under 60 minutes. So this will be your daily challenge. If you are a beginner, I think this is the best way to learn about ClickFunnels. Now, watching video courses and reading books, I think it's fine, but unless you get your hands dirty and start making funnels yourself, you won't learn anything useful. By the way, ClickFunnels is throwing some bonus material with this offer, such as an ebook, a digital workbook, and access to 30 days video interviews of other successful entrepreneurs who have used ClickFunnels. I definitely found some of these interviews very inspiring and they have motivated me to double down on my business ideas. Honestly, all these business features are nice to have in my opinion, but the real meat of this program is the 30-day unlimited access to ClickFunnels Platinum plan, access to live video coaching, and the ability to interact and ask questions with ClickFunnels coaches. So I highly recommend anyone who is serious about making money online, try the One Funnel Challenge. I have put a link in the video description below. By the way, finding success in affiliate marketing is not easy. In the last 5 years, I have stumbled my way through the world of affiliate marketing, making plenty of mistakes and learning from them as I went along. And while I did that, I discovered some secrets and I wish I knew these secrets when I was starting out. But now I am able to generate over $7,000 per month from my affiliate marketing strategy. So if you want to learn these secrets, watch this video over here. In this video, I talk about how I started from scratch and grew my affiliate marketing strategy. And now my main YouTube channel, TechnoPanda, where I review laptops and gaming PCs, that channel is generating close to $10,000 every month. In this video, I am sharing all the secrets that I have learned and you're going to find this video very useful. So go ahead and watch this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.